This is the final video to fix the Microsoft Office error 214-748-3661 and error tag 7Q6CA, so you can finally sign in and get back to your documents. Are you facing a frustrating situation where you try to log into Word or Outlook, but if something went wrong, box pops up and blocks your access even though your password is correct? This problem occurs because your system's identity tokens have become corrupted or a ghost account is hijacking the sign-in handshake between Windows and the Office servers. Most tutorials on YouTube tell you to reinstall the entire Office suite or reset your whole PC, which is a massive waste of time and rarely fixes the underlying credential glitch. Here at Rexist, we know you need to be productive right now without any technical headaches. I have a secret easy trick that involves clearing the hidden identity cache folders and resetting the Web Account Manager service to force a fresh login. This method wipes away the broken digital tokens and forces Office to see your account as new, clearing the 7Q6CA tag instantly. It is the fastest way to bypass the sign-in loop and make your apps feel snappy and connected again. Rexist is all about finding the simplest paths to solve these annoying software bugs so you can stay focused on your work. This fix works for both Windows 10 and 11, and it handles the error even if your workplace or school account is acting glitchy. Once you apply this quick refresh, your sign-in will be perfectly smooth, and that error box will vanish forever. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly which folders to rename and the secret command to reset your account manager,